Hey, y'all, Dusty Three Strings here. Today I want to do a little ditty with you. But you got to have yourself a little ditty guitar. This one is E, open E, B, E, B, E, E, B, E, E. The chord. Now, keep in mind, 3-string are not 6-string. It are not. You can't play it the same way. It are not it. But to do this song, we only need 4 chords. Actually, we only need 3 chords. But I picked one out that sounded right, so I threw it in there. But if you can't do it, you can just play the other chord. You want to see it? All right, here we go. We're going to start with an open E. Can't get much simpler than that. Open E. The next chord is going to be A, which is into the 5th fret, all strings down. Back to open E. All right, the only variation to this is I'm going to play E. This is A something. I know it's A because the 5th fret on an E is A. So I got A at the top, A at the bottom, D right here. So if you want to play this chord, you take your little buddy finger and you put it on the low E string at the top in the 5th fret. Take your little pointy finger, back up 2 frets to the 3rd fret and put it on the secondary string there, that 2nd string right there in the middle. And then scratch your ring finger down here to the other E string, same fret in the 5th fret, and hold it down. Just an A variation. I think it's A something, A minor, I don't know. I'm not a musical theorist, but it's A something. But if you can't play that, because I'm going to go straight from that to the A. So if you can't play that variation of the A, which is difficult for me because I just picked it out, if you can't play that, just stay in the A. One finger. All the way across the strings in the 5th fret. The other note that we're going to use is the B, which is down to the next dot. See if you got this here guitar, and you see that 1 dot in the 3rd fret, the 1 dot in the 5th fret, and the 1 dot in the 7th fret. That's where we're going to be. 7th fret, all the way down. All 3 strings. And on that one, we're just going to move back to the A, then back to open E. Alright, so I want to walk you through this. This is some Kenny Wayne Shepherd Blue on Black. It's some good stuff. Grab your fiddle, jump in there where you can. Don't stop playing. I've been a musician for all my life pretty much. But a band director of mine told me one time the best way to learn how to do something is to keep doing it. So if you're fumbling along here and you can't keep up, you just keep listening and you keep putting yourself where you're supposed to be. Don't stop playing. That's about the only way you're going to get it to make your fingers do it. You've got the tune in your head. Your fingers can do this, but it takes your fingers and your brain working together. So hold on and play. Don't be afraid of it. Just play. It's not going to hurt you. It's a Cigar Boss guitar. Get in. Night falls and I'm alone. Skin, it chills me to the bone. You turned and you ran. Oh, slip right from my head. Hold on, hey, blue on black, tears on a river, push on a shove, don't mean much. Joker on a jack, match on a fire, cold on ice, it's a dead man's touch. Whisper or a scream doesn't change a thing, don't bring you back. Yeah, like blue on black. Don't be scared, play that song. Blind. Oh, but now I see true lies in between. Wrong, it can't be undone. Will it slip from the tip of your tongue? Hey, blue on black, tears on the river, push on shove, don't mean much. Joker on a jack, match on a fire, cold on ice, it's a dead man's touch. Whisper on the street, doesn't change a thing, it don't bring you back. Yeah, like blue on black. So how many times did y'all hear me mess it all up? I kept playing. Don't stop playing. The only way you're going to get through it is keep on playing. And then the next time you play it, you're going to get a little bit better. And a little bit better. And a little bit better. That is a weird chord. This is simple. It's just like this. Night falls and I'm alone. Skin, it chills me to the bone. You turned and you ran. Oh, sleep right from my head. Hey, blue on black, tears on a river, push on shove, don't mean much. Joker on a jack, match on a fire, cold on ice, it's a dead man's touch. Whisper on the street, doesn't change a thing, don't bring you back. Yeah, it's like blue on black. See, there you go. That's a simple way. If you can make it through that song, you can make it through anything. 99.9% of the time, I can't even talk. 99.9% of the time, every song you're going to play is 3 major chords and a minor, some kind of variation in there. You don't even have to play those little variations. You can skip right through it. A lot of strumming, especially when you're leading the band and all you're playing is the acoustic guitar, all you got to do is strum right through it because old dude over there is fixing to cover you. When you're playing at home, you sit here with an amplifier, you make it sound right. Don't be scared to move your fingers around. If it don't sound right, that's what I did with this song. I heard it in my head because I just like music. But I just started picking around with it. That's not right. That's not right. That sounded right. So that's what I stuck with. So it just jumps through it. It's just an A variation. Don't know what it is. I think it's A minor. Couldn't tell you for real. I'd have to look that up. I'm not a musical theorist. Told you. Not a musical theorist. Musical therapist, maybe, but not a musical theorist. Can't theorize on that. I can speculate. That's all I'm doing is speculating up and down the neck. Nothing, see there? Nothing sounds like a 6-string. This are not a 6-string. The basics, the mechanics is the same, but some of the pickings, like if you was wanting to do a lead rundown of some sort, that is not it. Now you can make that work because the variations of that key is in there, but you can't just run up and down the neck on this thing like you do a 6-string. You have to whoa back. Now, I say that like it's difficult. This is way easier than a 6-string. It's just not a 6-string. So if you've ever had any lessons other than being able to place your fingers and how to hold the strings without being too tight and bending the crap out of the fret right here and making the tune come all out, your intonation messes up when you squeeze on the fretboard. Other than that, if you can learn to play real softly, and if you're playing one finger, it should be easy. I mean, that's all right here. This right here is just back and forth. If you can do this, you can play most songs. Well, that's all I got. Y'all hit the like button. Come back and see me. We'll play another little ditty, or we'll build something, or ask a question, and I'll answer the question. Whatever you got, come back and see me. Bye.